Apple is ready to shake up the budget laptop market with a new low-cost Mac, targeting students, casual users, and Chromebook fans looking for an upgrade. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Sources say that the budget Mac is already in early production with internal Apple testing underway, hinting that a launch could come in the first half of 2026. Unlike the premium MacBooks that we see, this new one's rumored to feature a smaller display and a lower-end LCD panel to keep costs down. But that doesn't mean subpar performance. Apple plans to power it with an A-series iPhone chip, which insiders claim will outperform the older M1 processor. The focus is on everyday tasks like web browsing, document work, light media editing, and even attracting potential iPad buyers who will still prefer a traditional laptop experience. Price will be the make or break factor. To truly compete with the Chromebooks and budget Windows laptops that are usually available for just a few $100s, Apple plans to price this under $1,000. That could put it in the $600 to $700 range that could lure buyers who've been long out of the Mac budget. This can be about timing too, as Microsoft is ending support for Windows 10 on older devices, forcing some users and businesses to consider upgrades. A budget Mac could swoop in as an attractive alternative, coming with Apple's reliability with a low price. Apple's traditionally known for premium products, but it could finally make Macs accessible to a wider audience. If the rumors are true, Apple's gearing up to prove that you don't need to break the bank to join the Mac world, and 2026 might be the year it happens. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.